Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Shopify with a Shift4shop or like 3Dcart. I don't know if you were using 3Dcart or Shift4shop, but in this video I'm going to compare these two. Now, first thing I'm going to share with you is what is my recommendation for you to use. Like in what way Shopify is better than Shift4shop, in what way Shift4shop is better comparing to Shopify. Then I'm going to compare pricing plans, then I will look on themes, plugins, main features, and how you can build a website. So let's start. Now, I'm not paid by Shopify, but Shopify is winning this battle. And let me explain you why. The first thing is that they got more integrations and more applications and bigger and better customer service and bigger forum that people are sharing stuff and how to use, and they're always adding new applications how we can convert the traffic into your customers. When you just come here to modules on 3Dcart like Shift4shop, let me show you. You can see it right here. So you see the modules here that you can find, and this is what they actually have, right? And you can also search for modules, but it's like really limited because in Shopify, when I would come here and I can simply exit, I can click application and visit the Shopify app store, you're gonna have like just more applications that you can use. And if you want to build a successful store, Shopify is just like better choice based on when we compare the apps. Now, another thing that I like more in Shopify comparing to Shift4shop is the forum. Like this forum on Shift4shop is just like that. And I don't know how else should I describe it. So, but yeah, so this is another thing. The next thing is, okay, there is one disadvantage I personally see in Shopify is that they have the payment processing. What does it mean? The transactional fee, I would call it. What does it mean is that let's say that you're gonna get an order and you have to pay to PayPal 3%, but then you have to pay another 2% to additional fee to the Shopify. If you're basic Shopify, if normal Shopify, you're gonna pay 1%. And then advanced for $299 is 0.5. So if you're gonna get like a lot of orders, I recommend going with the advanced Shopify and you're good to go. Now, on the other hand, on the Shift4shop, you have only basic store, plus store, pro store, end-to-end e-commerce. And you can start free on both of these. And then you're gonna have like 14-day free trial on Shopify. And you see it right here that you don't have any transaction fee in Shift4shop. This is a huge thing. But again, I really think that Shopify is like dominating 3Dcart. Now, when you compare the design and how you can actually optimize the whole website, again, Shopify is winning it. The way how you can operate with settings on 3Dcart, you need to come here to design, themes and style. You need to do a lot of clicks to actually get to the theme editor. And even when you would come here to the theme editor and how you can edit template, it's limited comparing to Shopify, right? In Shopify, I simply click 3 clicks to get here on an editor and I can simply go and move it. Here you are limited how you can actually edit it. So you have like header, text button, typography. Then when you come here, you can edit the themes here. And then you have like template editor. But the way how you can edit it is really limited with the sections and everything. In Shopify, it's just better with the design. Now, again, I'm not paid by Shopify to say this thing. This is just my honest review, what I would do if I would be you. That even when there is a disadvantage of the pricing plan that you have to pay the processing fee, even then I would go with the Shopify. Now to go further to themes. So when you come here to design and I click change theme here, I can simply go here too. And let me show you. So first, you can customize the theme and you can choose these ones here. And you don't have many themes comparing to Shopify even. But the huge advantage 3Dcart has over Shopify is that there are plenty of them are free. When you come here to Shopify themes, and I'm going to like view demo here, Plenty of them are not free, they are paid, but you have 9 of them which are for free that you can use. So when we compare the free versions or like free themes, in that regard, Shopify is worse compared to 3Dcart. So this is like the what you can actually get. When I come here and I'm going to click this one, I can download the theme and I can apply it. I can customize the theme. You can also view all premium themes. But when I compare the beauty of the themes, again, I like Shopify more, but it's just like my perspective. Now again, I can simply edit the first image here. But again, like to edit a section here, you need to actually click on it. Then you're gonna get on a different, and you need to edit the image here. On the other hand, when I come here to the image and how we can edit the website in Shopify, I'm going to click here, select image, and voila. So the way how you can actually build a website is easier in Shopify. So guys, to summarize this whole video, Shopify is dominating when we compare the plugins. Yes, you have to pay like for a lot of them to use them. Some of them are for free or like limited version for free. Then themes are prettier on Shopify, and I really think that you're gonna convert more people on Shopify website and you convert more traffic to your potential customers comparing to 3Dcart stores. On both, or like Shift4shop, on both you can operate and work with like email newsletter. But again, I would just, from the automation perspective and abundant cart, again, I would go with the Shopify. So I would just try it out with a basic plan, and that's what I would personally do. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.